welcome to our channel and thank you for joining us. Today we bring you the complete full detail of the new 2026 Toyota two-seater electric rickshaw, a futuristic ride designed for the eco-conscious and urban smart generation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to support us for more exciting vehicle reviews like this one. Let's begin with its modern design. The 2026 Toyota two-seater electric rickshaw carries a sleek, aerodynamic body with futuristic styling. It features sharp LED headlights, a streamlined front grille, and dual-tone body colors for a bold look. It's compact but eye-catching, ideal for city driving and short-range trips. The roof has a semi-transparent sunshade, and the sides are equipped with safety doors for a secure and stylish profile. Now let's talk about the interior. Inside, the electric rickshaw offers two comfortable cushioned seats with backrests and enough legroom to keep both driver and passenger relaxed during the ride. The dashboard is digital, equipped with a smart touchscreen panel that displays battery status, speed, distance covered, and even navigation options. You also get USB charging ports and Bluetooth connectivity. Ambient LED lighting enhances the futuristic appeal, and it even includes a basic music system for entertainment. Under the hood, or rather, under the body, is an advanced electric motor powered by a 48 volts lithium-ion battery pack. This rickshaw delivers a top speed of approximately 45 km per hour and a full charge range of up to 130 km depending on load and terrain. Charging the battery from 0 to full takes about 4 to 5 hours using a regular socket, making it perfect for overnight charging at home or at public charging stations. Suspension and handling are tailored for urban roads and short commutes. It comes with telescopic front suspension and rear spring shock absorbers to offer a smoother ride even on slightly uneven streets. Hydraulic brakes on both front and rear wheels provide strong stopping power. When it comes to utility, this rickshaw is ideal for personal use, small businesses, last-mile delivery, or short-distance commuting in eco-zones and cities. Its lightweight yet durable chassis ensures a high power-to-weight ratio, making it both efficient and agile in traffic. Let's not forget the safety features. It comes with seat belts for both passengers, a reverse camera, parking sensors, and a built-in GPS tracker for additional security. The vehicle also includes an emergency stop switch and fire-retardant battery casing to avoid overheating and short circuits. The 2026 Toyota two-seater electric rickshaw is fully electric, meaning zero emissions, zero noise pollution, and significantly lower running costs compared to petrol or diesel-powered auto rickshaws. It is not only cost-effective for daily commuting but also environmentally responsible. Colors and variants. It comes in 4 standard color options: A white, red, blue, and matte black. A with optional graphics depending on the market region. Different variants may offer features like alloy wheels, solar charging integration, or waterproof seat covers. So to summarize, the 2026 Toyota two-seater electric rickshaw is a compact, efficient, and stylish electric vehicle that's ideal for the eco-friendly lifestyle of today's urban population. With its smart features, comfortable design, and sustainable performance, it stands out in the next generation of city mobility. We hope you enjoyed the full tour of this futuristic rickshaw. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below telling us what you think about this new electric ride. More updates, test drives, and vehicle reviews coming soon. Stay connected with us for more. Thanks for watching.